This video is part 2 in my fall decorating series, and today we're going to be decorating my coffee bar. I'm using items from Hobby Lobby and Michael's and at home, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to put this together. You won't believe the transformation from beginning to end, and I hope that you really enjoy it and get some ideas for your kitchen. So I decided to do a bonus clip for you with the coffee bar. I decided to give you a couple of options. So the first option I did was a little more casual with a lot of color, the fall colors. And so the second option is more neutral. It has some wood tones and it has a little bit of the green. And I think that having the two options, you can see the difference. Maybe you have a preference and it'll give you ideas on something that you'd like to use, whether you want to use color or want to go more neutral. I really like the second option. I love the first one, so I may go back and forth. I wanted to show you this really amazing NORA FLEMING piece of pottery. It can be several different things. It can be a utensil holder, but we've used it. This was a gift that we received. We've used it for cup dispenser. So it'll hold just up to a regular red solo cup size, and you can put, it's interchangeable. It has these really cute little seasonal ceramic pieces. So this is the ACORN, and so I got this for fall. This is the cup that you can get, and it's great for when you have guests over. Put it right here, and we put a permanent marker in there so people can write their names on their cups. So it is so great for entertaining and when you have guests over, family. But I love the fact that you can interchange them. There's a Christmas tree, and I will link this in the video below so that you can look it up and possibly get one for yourself. Thanks for joining me today as I decorated my coffee bar for fall. I hope that you got some great ideas. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified when my fall porch decor video is uploaded to YouTube. Be sure to go to the Harvesting Home website at harvestinghome.com. I have a free gift for you there. It's called Fireside Coffee. It's a recipe that you can download for free.